let's start. Look at this tree. There is lot of flowers. Flowers grows on plant. Flowers have different shapes, colors and sizes. Please observe all flowers. They have different colors, different shapes and different sizes. Some flowers have fragrance. After some days, many flowers grows into fruits. Fruits contain seeds. Some fruits contain one seed each and some many seeds. Seeds are present in fruits. Every seed has a tiny plant in it. When we sow the seed in the soil and water them, the baby plant grows into big plant. They also need air and sun. Seeds grow into new plants. In short, seeds need air, water, soil and sun to grow into new plant. A seed grows into new plant. Day by day, that tiny plant growing, and once a day they are grown up very properly and flowers grown on plants again. Again that plant cycle repeating. Just like, share and subscribe मध्ये. Thank you. Bye bye.